Today I'm making a pot that slowly waters your garden. No hoses, no timers. It's called an Olla, and it'll get buried in the ground, allowing water to seep out. I'm throwing it tall, adding a lid, and hoping it works. Will this low-tech idea help keep my plants alive? I'm preparing 2.2 kilos of clay, 2 kilos for the Olla, and 200 grams for the lid. I'm using up the rest of this super gritty clay that I think will be perfect for the Olla. When low-fired, it's very porous, so perfect for the seeping water. I center the 2 kilos of clay. I struggled a little with this clay on my last video, but I don't need any precise trimming for this project, so this rugged clay should work just fine. So now I've flattened the top of the clay. And I'm ready to push down into the clay and open out. So as I open out, I'm starting to form the walls. So I'm ready to pull up the walls. I compress the wall with a rib. And I start to shape. I shape by pushing the clay out from the inside. This is called bellowing out. Because it's hard to get my hand down into the closed form, for the next pull I'm going to use a throwing stick. So my throwing stick has a rounded end that acts like my fingers on the inside of the pot. It takes a little getting used to. And on the outside I can still use a rib, a sponge, or just my fingers. And now I'm going to remove some of the extra clay around the base. I shape and smooth with a rib. I measure the outside of the neck. And then I set aside to dry, and then it's onto the lid. So without the lid, the Olla is going to fill with earth and garden bits, and the water will evaporate. So I'm just going to make a simple lid that fits over the neck. So I center the clay. I check the width of the clay, and then I push down and open out. The lid is like making a small tray. I trim around the base. And then I'm going to measure. It looks okay for width, but actually it's a little tall. So I'm going to trim the lid with a wire. You could also use a pin tool. Now, to do this successfully with a wire, you have to hold the wire very tightly between two hands. Now I just smooth the top of the lid and I set aside to dry. And now it's time to trim the parts. Look, there's not a lot of trimming involved in this. I just do another quick trim around the base. And then after I smooth with the rib, I can wire through. And I'm just going to roll the base slightly. This just accentuates the rounded form. And to finish the lid, I'm just going to smooth with a rib. A perfect fit. And then I set aside to dry. Once dry, I bisque fire. So I just do a single firing, and it's a low firing to earthenware temperatures. So my Olla's ready, and I just need to dig a hole. I bury the Olla up to the neck. I leave the lid on while I do this. And then I fill the Olla with water. I'll check on the water level every few days. I'm hoping that this will save time, water, and help keep my plants healthy and hydrated. For more plants and pottery, check out my self-watering planter video. And happy potting!